Chaz Bicknell here with Realty One Group MVP in Golden Gate Estates on 2.73 acres. Beautiful home, large lot, new roof in 2018, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,700 square feet. Wait until you see inside. Beautiful living room, dining room, and kitchen with sliders that pocket to the back yard area. We're on a canal here with a path back to the back for fishing. Let's check out the master suite first. Nice large bedrooms, 2 walk-in closets, dual sinks with a nice makeup vanity. Have pocket doors on the sliders to the lanai. Please feel free to call me for a private showing at 239-272-4442. Nice big open kitchen with the laundry room right off the kitchen and a 2-car garage. Lots of space with attic space and pull down stairs, laundry tub in the laundry room. Lots of cabinet space and newer appliances. Feel free to view below my website at www.chazbicknell.com to go see all properties for sale in Southwest Florida. One of the guest bedrooms, very large. And the 3rd bedroom, real nice new flooring. A half bath that's also been set up as a pool bath that goes out to the lanai. Let me know how I can help you. I've been selling real estate in this area for 27 years. Let me put my experience together with my partner on this, Michael Fish, and let us help you find the dream home you're looking for.